contest that will be forever known as the Io DeSumo game. Jokić and McDaniels square up. Players trying to break it up. There's still 1.3 remaining. Julius Randle furious. Well, the league office is going to have a lot of film review over the next couple of days.
I don't even know exactly where to start. I'm going to start at the end, I think, because that's what's freshest in our mind. Your take on Jaden laying that ball in the closing seconds when you got the lead.
It's the playoffs, man. You know, the game's still going. He has the ball in his hands. To me, then nothing much to be mad about.
We don't get to be in the locker room when you guys are really having meaningful conversations with each other. Do you get the sense that this group still really cares, like really wants this?
Yes.
What happened late? I guess, you know, why were you so upset with the McDaniels layup?
Because he scored and everybody stopped playing. Come on, guys, you saw it. What happened?